Every business begins with a dream built through hard work, courage, and determination.
In every community, small business play an important role in people's lives. They provide not only products and service, but also inspiration and opportunities.
But behind every business is a story waiting to be told.
Today, we are featuring Artist Coffee Cart, a small business located in Masigana, Panti, Bulacan.
We ask a question about the business. Beginning is a challenge, and the message I want to share so we could better understand its story.
When and why did you start this business?
Nag-start kami noong May 5, 2024. Tapos, nag-start kami ng business kasi dati akong barista sa Coffee Bean. Para siyang kompetensya ng Starbucks. So, yun. Tapos, since then, na-inspire ako na gumawa ng sarili kong coffee shop. That's why, nung umalis ako sa Coffee Bean bilang barista, nagtayo ako ng sarili kong coffee shop.
Your experience while starting this business?
Yung challenges is madami kasi syempre ang mga kakompetensya namin, yung mga nagtatayo din ng negosyo ng coffee shop. Madaming coffee shop dito sa Panday, lalo na sa kahit sa Masagana, di ba? So, challenge namin is kailangan namin manghatak ng customer. Ano yung kailangan na meron kami na wala sa ibang coffee shop. So, yun yung mga challenges namin na na-improve namin para puntahan pa rin kami ng customer kahit na maraming ibang coffee shop din sa paligid namin.
Last po, what message can you give to students who want to start a business?
Sa mga students na gustong mag-start ng business, I can say na mag-start kayo sa small, sa maliit lang muna, para malaman nyo rin kung paano mag-umpisa. Kasi pag nag-start kayo ng big agad, may chance na hindi kayo mag-grow agad o hindi kayo magtagal. So mag-start muna kayo sa maliit hanggang sa papalaki. Tapos aralin yung mabuti kung paano yung papalakarin yung negosyo. Kasi hindi siya madali. So sa umpisa, akala nyo lang pag nakabenta kayo, okay na. Hindi. Kasi after nun, kailangan mo pang aralin lahat ng mga pasikot-sikot sa negosyo. Pero eventually, kapag inaral mo siya, matututunan mo siya, and then malalaman mo kung ano yung technique para mag-grow saka mag-stay yung business mo.
Thank you po.
Small business require patience, effort, and dedication.
Despite the challenges, they continue to grow and serve their communities.
This business shows that begins with determination and hard work.
Every small beginning holds the potential for a big